Hi everybody, welcome to another sniffle valve video. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up Elementor uh, so that all your buttons that you add will have the same styling. Uh, by default, the Elementor has its own styling with that gray background and a white text, and then you have to go in and change it all and whatnot all. So with this, we're just going to show you how to quickly change the default um, styling uh, for the buttons. And that whenever you add a button to your Elementor layout, they will always show the same styling. Okay, so let's go take a look. And where's a page that we can show you how to do things? Elementor. Okay, let's try this one. Now here's one that I have with one of the blocks from Elementor 2.03, and that's kind of interesting. So let's go add a button into there, and there it is. It's our plain old click me with the gray background and the white text. Okay, well, yeah, but I want to have it all my buttons be a dark blue background with a white text. I don't want to have to change that for every time, right? And, go into here, normal, text color, background color, yada, yada, yada. Every time I drag in a button, I want it to be that. Okay, so, well, let's go and try that, and we'll leave that. So all we need is a little bit of CSS, and we'll get that here. And let me just scoot over to my other monitor here, where I have some CSS for that in Notepad++. I'll copy that and paste it here. So what we're saying here now is Elementor button. Now this will be for every button that you add uh, on an Elementor layout. Background color is dark blue and color is white. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, now we're going to go back to pages. Here's our edit with Elementor. We're going to drag a button in. And look at that. It's dark blue background with a white text, right? And hover, well, let's go change that to the reverse. Let's have it a white background with a dark blue text. Okay, we're not going to update that. We're just going to exit. So back to simple CSS. That's where I put all my CSS. So let's just copy that. Give us some space. And we're going to say hover state. Okay, so Elementor buttons, all the Elementor buttons now. We're not selecting any specific ones. These are for all of them. Now we want to just swap that around. So we want to say white background with blue text. Save that. Pages. Let's go take a look. Elementor. So we're going to add a button. Let me just center it. And look at that. It reverses. Just like that. So let's update. Go preview that. And that's how it goes. So that's how you can do that. It's just a little bit of CSS, and I'll post this on the sniffle valve page for this tutorial. And yeah, so if you want to do that, mm, and not have to worry about changing these values each and every time you want to add one, you can still override these, of course, within Elementor. Let me just go show you here. So here we have our default one for our button. But let's say we want the text color to be that, right? And the background color to be, I don't know, that. So you can still override them within the controls of Elementor. So that's not an issue. Okay. So hope you guys found this interesting and might be of value to you. And you know, hopefully somewhere down the line, Elementor will come up with a global styling page for certain elements like buttons and other widget elements, where you can set your colors and styles up ahead of time like this without having to resort to custom CSS. But in the meantime, it works. It's relatively easy, simple to implement, and it does work. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Sniffle Valve here on the Sniffle Valve site, and I'll be posting a link to the CSS to use for this here, and also on the Sniffle Valve YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and see you again next time.